Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Today I would like to take for 9th standard the poem of the 5th unit, Grabbing Everything on the Land. Okay. So 5th unit, what is the lesson we have listened in the previous class? That a havoc of flood. So a havoc of flood related to what? The disaster. So the poem is also related to tsunami, the same. Okay. And this poem was written by the poetess Lily Usher. Okay. Grabbing everything on the land. What is the meaning of grabbing here? Taking something suddenly, all of a sudden. When we take, we call it as what? Grabbing. Okay. So now here, there came a wave like a great hand. What has come here? A wave like a great hand. Okay. Great hand is nothing but what? Tsunami. What is the meaning of great hand here? Tsunami. So what has come like a great hand? Tsunami has come like a great hand. Grabbing everything on the land. So what it was doing? Grabbing. What is the meaning of grabbing? Taking with a hand suddenly or roughly. Taking with a hand suddenly or roughly. Okay. Tsunami has come like a great hand and it has taken something which is there on the land. Its fingers of foam circling round, uprooting trees, smashing trees to the ground, smashing homes to the ground. Now see here, its fingers of foam. See, for example, from the fountain, when the water flows, we can see it like the bubbles, the foam. You know what is foam? When we add, okay, for example, a bucket of water is there. In that, if we add the surf liquid or else the surf, and when we shake it, we can see what? Bubbles. Okay, we can see the foam. Okay, we can see on top the foam we can see. Isn't it? For example, you take the cold drinks also. Once when we shake it, we can see the foam on that. And not only that, actually here what is foam? Foam is nothing but when the water gushes in a fast manner, we can see like what? Just like a foam. Okay. So here its fingers of foam. How the fingers nothing but the tsunami, the waves. The waves are coming like a foam here, circling round. How it is coming? Just it is circling round. Uprooting trees, and what it is taking out? It is taking out everything. Like what? Uprooting trees. The trees. For example, if it is a heavy rainfall, we can see on the road some trees will fall down, right? Yes, in that way, now because of this tsunami, the trees were uprooting, smashing homes to the ground. Even some houses also have been collapsed. Okay, so did you understand first stanza, everyone? They came a wave like a great hand. Great hand, nothing but tsunami has come like a great hand, grabbing everything on the land, taking suddenly from the land. Its fingers of foam, how the waves are just like a foam circling round. It is coming round and uprooting what? Trees. The trees are just, the trees are moving out. Okay, the trees are coming out from the soil and smashing homes to the ground. Even the homes are also, we can see everything smashed, collapsed. Now here, smashing nothing but here what? Destroyed. What is the meaning of smashing? Destroyed. So even the homes have been destroyed because of what? Tsunami. Now it aimed its fist at everything in sight. Okay, it aimed means what? It has a target. What is its target? Tsunami's target is everything should be wiped out. Okay, everything should be wiped out. So now see here, nothing could survive this dreadful might. Nothing could survive. What is the meaning of survive then? Okay, survive means what? Continue to live. What is the meaning of survive? Continue to live. So nothing should live in this dreadful might. Okay, dreadful means what? It is a dangerous situation. In this, nothing should be alive. Okay, people ran in and out in time with the tides. Okay, the people are moving, they don't know where to move when the water is coming with lot of force. Okay, so they are moving here and there to protect themselves. And then nowhere to go and nowhere to hide, so they don't understand where they have to go and where they have to hide. Why? Because everywhere the water is there. Okay, they cannot run for the safest place because total that place was covered with what? Water. But even though they were trying to escape from that situation, okay, the hand was born in the belly of the ocean. Then where that hand was born? Tsunami's hand, where that hand was born? In the belly of the ocean. So in the belly means what? In the middle of the ocean. What is the meaning of belly here? In the middle of the ocean. Fed by plates creating the portion. Okay, it fed by plates creating the portion. So what is the meaning of fed by plates? pushed by movements of the rock in the earth. Okay, fed by plates means what? Pushed by the movements of the rock in the earth. For example, if we see in the movies, like what at the time of earthquake or tsunami, how the water comes even in the middle of the river or sea or lake or ocean, we can see the rocks. Okay, how it will be jumping onto the rock and it will be flowing, right? So now here the hand was born in the belly of the ocean, fed by plates, creating the portion. So fed by plates means what? Pushed by the movements of the rock in the earth. And portion means what? Water with a great force. Water will come with a great force. Okay. Then it grew in fury. What is the meaning of fury? Anger. When we get tsunami, when the lake is anger. Okay, people talk like that. When it is in anger, then we get the situation. What is that? We have to be in trouble. What is that? Tsunami. So now here, it grew in fury. Fury means what? Anger. It grew in power. The anger to be unleashed within the hour. So how much time the anger will be? The tsunami's time will be within 1 hour. Okay, within 1 hour everything will be smashed out. Even the people will like what, lost their lovable people in their family, and also they can see that, okay, they can witness that they have lost their houses. In the havoc of floods already we have listened all this. Okay, so now here the anger to be unleashed within the hour. Within 1 hour it will be like that. After that like what, slowly the anger will let loose. So unleashed means what? Let loose. No one knew what was on the way. No one knows actually what was on the way, what is going to come. No one knew about that. People were working, children at play. So actually before this tsunami comes, no one knows what is happening here. Okay, so people are at their working places and children are busy in playing. A shriek of surprise as somebody saw. A shriek of surprise. So what is the meaning of shriek here? A loud shout. Suddenly a loud sound has come. Okay, then surprise as somebody saw. Someone has heard that sound and immediately they have seen what was going to happen. What was that sort of sound? What is that sound? Then a huge wall of white horses galloping ashore. Suddenly a huge wall of white horses. So they can see the water. Okay, like horse. How fast the horse it comes very rapidly, very fast it comes. In that manner, the water is coming like a white horses. It is like what, they can see the white horses are coming towards them. The like what, they can see that picture. Okay, so a huge wall of white horses galloping ashore. So the water itself is coming like that, and they can understand like as if the horses are coming towards them. The beasts dissolved under the heat. Even the animals also have died because of that. They have drowned in the water because of what? Because of tsunami, sweeping hundreds of thousands of their feet. So thousands and thousands or hundreds of their feet means what? Sweeping means everything washed out. What is the meaning of sweeping here? Everything washed out. Okay, so now here there was a crashing and crunching and tearing apart. So there was a crashing and crunching. What is the meaning of crashing and crunching? Okay, so now see here, crashing, hitting hard, making a noise. Crashing means what? Hitting hard and making a noise. Crunching means what? Crushing noisily. For example, when you take a paper or something, when you write something, if you feel that it is not good, immediately you will crumple it. You will and then you will throw it. Okay, so if it is not the paper, if some other thing, then what happens? If someone will stamp on that, we get the sound. Okay, we get the sound. That is called what? Crushing sound. Okay, so now here, see, seeping its way into everyone's heart, lives were lost, bodies found. So now what happened? Because of this tsunami, people, they were dead. Okay, many people, okay, they have lost their family members. They were dead, and now lives were lost, bodies found. They were dead, but the bodies were found. Brutally killed by a hungry hound. Brutally means what? Violently, dangerously. Okay, brutally means what? Violently killed by a hungry hound. Hound means what? A wild racing dog. Like as if a dog, wild dog, the racing dog, how it attacks on the people, how it kills, like that. All of a sudden it happened because of tsunami. So tsunami, it was compared with what? Hound. Okay, tsunami was compared with a hound here. When the punch came with the force of an army, the few that survived understood the meaning of tsunami. So now see here, when the punch came with the force of an army, what is the army? Nothing but what here? What is the meaning of army? You can see down. A group of hounds compared to the waves of tsunami. Nothing but waves. Okay. Army, nothing but what here? Waves. How the waves have come? Because of that waves, everything have been wiped out, washed out. Like what? The people were dead and the houses were collapsed. Okay. Animals were drowned and everything they have lost. So when the punch came with the force of an army, when the power, okay, with the like force of army means what? Once when the waves have gushed very fast, what happened? They have seen that the tsunami, okay. The few that survived understood the meaning of tsunami. Actually, no one knows what is a tsunami. Once when they experienced, then they can understand, oh my God, this is only tsunami. So now the people were dead without knowing what was happened. They were dead, okay, because they were in their work area and the children are at play, okay. They don't know actually what was about to happen, but it was happened. And the people, those who have survived, okay, those who were living now, they understood that, okay, this is only tsunami, because some of them were trying to escape from that situation. They were running to protect themselves. So those who were alive, they have understood what is the meaning of tsunami. So have you all understood this poem, everyone? So it is an interesting poem, and you have like what, a havoc of flood related to same the floods, okay, and here it's the tsunami. So here also the people have lost their lives, they have lost their property and everything, okay. So grabbing everything on the land means what? Taking suddenly from the land, okay. So who has taken suddenly? Then tsunami has taken. Tsunami doesn't tell us that I'll come now. It will not tell that I am going to invite you. All of a sudden it comes, okay. Then that time who will be alive and who will be not, we don't know, okay. We cannot foretell, we cannot predict the future, okay. So this is what? Grabbing everything on the land. Hope everyone have understood. Once go through the poem and you will get a clear understanding. So thank you everyone.